OpenAI just announced a brand new tool that is so powerful, it just might destroy Hollywood completely. And it can build you an incredibly profitable business all at the same exact time. And this tool is so powerful that Hollywood actually forced them to suppress this tool and change it because it is just that realistic. Imagine video that is indistinguishable from a multi-million-dollar Hollywood production. Well, they're terrified, and you'll see why as we keep going in this video, because the tool that I'm talking about is called Sora 2. It is the latest AI video generator on the block. And a lot of people, they're frankly terrified by this very controversial release. But there's one thing that is very clear, that the people who learn how to use this technology, they will be the ones who are going to make the most money over the next 12 months especially. And those who don't, you're going to be left in the dust struggling. And in this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 ways that you can use Sora 2 to make ridiculous amounts of money. And I'll show you some people who are actually doing that. And there are 3 proven strategies that are already working and will only supercharge as this technology continues to advance. And when you stick around to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you my absolute #1 favorite strategy that is far more likely to help bring in the big bucks because it's already working for me. And now with Sora 2, it is easier than ever to do what I'm doing that is making so much profit in my business. So the question is, are you ready? Then let's dive in. So as I said, we're going to be talking about how to use Sora 2 in 3 ridiculous ways to make money. And one of them is pretty wild. And one of them is something that I'm using myself. I'm going to take from my over $100 million in revenue that I've generated, all the 25 plus years of experience that I've got, and I'm going to tell you how to use these brand new tools in proven, profitable ways. Let's take a look and see what these things actually look like. So Sora 2 is pretty amazing. A lot of people have been carrying on about previous video models. As an example, there was a model put out called VO3. Maybe you know it. You ever heard of VO3? So VO3 was put out some time ago, and now the competitor, Sora 2, has been released, and it just keeps getting better and better and better. We'll take a look at this one here on Twitter.
Yeah, you see, fighting is just applied mathematics. He swings, I calculate the vector. Momentum equals mass times velocity, so I remove the velocity. I step 45 degrees here, and his energy becomes mine.
That's pretty good. I like that.
Here's an example of one that's, you can't do this anymore. So they nerfed it, and I guess we'll talk about that in a second.
Yeah, they've banned them from this, yeah.
Yeah.
Captain, keep your hands on the wheel. You almost wiped out 3 cars back there. Put it in park now.
I'm sorry, officer. I just...
Don't move. Door's locked. Unlock it right now.
I can't get a ticket again.
Hey, stop the car.
You could do this one, though.
You'll have to go back to boating school. What was the teacher's name? Miss Puff?
Miss Puff, yeah.
Sir, license and registration, please.
I forgot it at home, officer.
Step out of the vehicle.
Hey, stop. Get back here.
We'll just tap in a few more little fellas down here at his feet. They're having a rough day, maybe a flash of a bayonet, a little splash of red. That gives the story some energy. Now, obviously, the gorilla would win. There's no question.
You'll notice a lot of these are humorous, these examples that we're showing. And in business, I cannot stress how useful and how powerful humor is in advertising. So if you're trying to get the word out, whether it's free and organically or in paid ads, if you can inject humor, it becomes so much easier. And with tools like this, like there's this stuff you could not have done. Like you could have not made this kind of humorous type of a content in the past without a multi-million-dollar production and without a team of writers. And what I found is the models have an intuitive, like a knack for making funny videos.
In the case of little Isaac, Stephen, you are not the father.
Oh. I am out of here.
Wait, Stephen? He's running off the...
This reminds me of that time I rioted on January 6th. Woo! Let's show them what democracy looks like in cargo shorts. Ow! Fighting the democracy! This is worse than that time I got caught in a...
Now, one of the things I want to talk about, and a reason we showed some of those pieces of footage, is because Sora 2 is so powerful that Hollywood has lobbied OpenAI and begged them to suppress the ability to make some of those. So when it comes to creating copyrighted characters and things like that, they have actually put a squash on that, which is okay in my book, because I'm not going to use like Peter Griffin in my video ads. So it's not so bad for us in business, but it is something that they did come in and weaken the tool to prevent you from being able to use copyrighted characters when you're making content with Sora 2. So the idea we're going to start with, counting down from number 3 down to my number 1 favorite way of making money. But we're going to start with a faceless social media account. So we have some examples of people that are already doing that. There are accounts that have gone from nothing to millions of views literally overnight on TikTok. And here's a couple examples. This one went to 12 million views in 36 hours on a brand new account using Sora 2. All right, here we go. So this is an update on Twitter, them talking about the progress that they're making with their faceless social channels. And so here's one, 1.3 million likes, 9,000 followers. And then you can see, look, this is where they started, going kind of backwards. That is pretty darn incredible. 12 million views and almost 10,000 followers in 36 hours of using Sora 2. And here's another one here. This is a video of an AI cat. And this is talking about how using Sora 2, they now have 200 million views on social media. And there's a variety of different things that they have. The same cat doing different things. You can see he's jumped into the freezer here in the supermarket. Here's another one here, 100 million views in 3 days using Sora 2. So 52 posts over 3 days, 100 million views, all with Sora 2. So here are examples of their videos. Just sort of funny viral videos that they're posting. There's one of Stephen Hawking's on the skateboard ramp. Ouch. Just again, really silly videos. We'll talk about how you make money with this in a moment. And here's a post on Twitter that breaks down how you actually make money with this. So there's a step-by-step guide on how to make money with this exact strategy using Sora 2. So there's 5 steps in the strategy. And by the way, if you'd like to download the deck that I'm showing you with that step-by-step example and all of the videos, all of the resources, all of the case studies, if you'd like a copy of that, then all you need to do is be a subscriber to our Ingeniosity newsletter. It's totally free. All you need to do is go to pushbutton.ai/subscribe. That's pushbutton.ai/subscribe. And you can download a free copy of this, and it'll go through, again, all the case studies, all the links, all the videos, examples, and the whole training will be available for you to download. Just go to pushbutton.ai/subscribe. And by the way, would you like a training about this? A training of doing a deep dive with this strategy, where I can go through one step at a time, the entire workflow of how do you blow up a channel or a Facebook page or a TikTok account using Sora 2. And we can go through step by step of the actions that you take, the tools that you use, how it all comes together. I'd be happy to do that. Just let me know in the comments if you would like to vote for this. So we go based on our channel viewers' votes. So if you want us to cover that, then definitely drop that into the comments down below. If enough people vote for it, we'll do that training on the channel, an episode coming up very soon. And the last thing I want to talk about this is how you monetize this. And you have that step-by-step link in the playbook that's free. You can get that when you download it. But there's an endless number of ways to profit from videos like this. The simplest way is to blow up an account, get a lot of views, and start monetizing the account directly. Platforms like YouTube and some of the others have built-in monetization plans where you can actually get paid for getting views on their platforms. So if you share content like that, as long as it's original and you're not using copyrighted materials, which you're not going to do, but you can produce a lot of revenue. You can make a significant amount of money purely off of the advertising revenue. Next thing is you can go into a niche market and target a particular group of people and then promote affiliate offers where you get paid commission for promoting the offers on your channel. If you target the right kinds of audiences and you're bringing the right kind of eyeballs to your channel, there are lots of brands that will just straight up pay you to promote their stuff once you have built your audience. And then finally, you can do this to promote your own products, which is, of course, how I use it. So I use tools like this to get a lot of attention, get a lot of eyeballs on my businesses so that I can then promote my products and services, which is the final way that you can profit with a faceless channel. Now, we're going to move on to the very next strategy. I'm counting down to number 2. Of course, number 1 coming up next is my favorite of all time. So I'll cover that in a moment. But idea 2 is AI influencers. Now, Gary Vee himself talks about here on Twitter.
And the other one, and this is going to be super left field, but stick with me here because I'm going to recall this clip in 6 years and say I told you so. Virtual influencers, AI influencers, influencers that are not real people. They look exactly like people with the advancements of AI. The influencers that aren't real people as a business, the intellectual property of these AI people getting influencer deals the way influencers are now getting deals. The way influencers disrupted Hollywood, I believe AI virtual influencers are about to disrupt in the next decade actual influencers of today.
So as you heard there, Gary Vee is a huge proponent of AI influencers, and he's talking about how they will disrupt Hollywood. So the idea of celebrity endorsements and the whole entire business of Hollywood is about to be turned on its head, all because of AI influencers. And when I'm talking about an AI influencer, I mean building a persona, a character, whether that's a human character, it could even be a cartoon, or an animal character, but an actual character. Like if you think almost like the Geico Gecko is an example of a cartoon animal character, so they don't have to only be human, but all of these different kinds, human or not, are going to be able to be the faces and voices of brands and companies, be able to be the face and voice of advertising, the face and voice of social media presence. And in fact, there's even already an AI actress who's out trying to get representation from actual agencies, acting agencies out there. There's a bit of controversy in the media about that right now. This is a huge, huge thing. Here is a fake college influencer as another example. This person is not real. So all of this is fake. Over the last week, I grew a 100% AI influencer to 500 followers and a viral video. So that's 10 minutes a day over a week. So not a bad start. And then here's an example of an AI influencer that someone created using Sora 2.
Here's what I eat in a day with zero processed sugar here in Bali. For breakfast, I had this antioxidant-packed acai bowl, no sweeteners needed.
And then there are lots of people doing characters. Like here's an example of the Yeti character who's gotten over 2 billion views. It's a different kind of a business model, but it is very similar to the last one we talked about in that you're creating a persona. And instead of doing a variety of different kinds of funny and viral videos, instead you're focusing on one single character and essentially building a media presence for them. And for that, again, the same thing. There's a lot of ways to monetize this, from earning money off of the ad revenue on the platforms, to affiliate offers, to promoting your own stuff. And you could even, I could envision going out and finding brands that will pay you to let your AI influencer promote them. So those are all examples of how you can monetize that. And we're counting down. And by the way, reminder, if you want this whole playbook, you can just head on over to pushbutton.ai/subscribe, and you can download the whole thing for free. It'll be in the library. So you'll get an email with our library of playbooks. We literally have dozens of different profitable marketing playbooks. This one will be in there, and you can download it and check it out. Okay, now counting down to number 1. I love advertising. That sounds weird, but advertising has been at the core of what has made me an incredible amount of money. From some of the very early businesses that I had way back 20 plus years ago, all the way to the present day, advertising has been the cornerstone of how I have been able to either get started and build a brand new business, or once I have a business that's starting to make some profit, then scaling it and turning it into a very, very large business. And I know a lot of people can be a little bit intimidated by advertising and a little bit concerned about it, but using what I'm about to show you makes it so much easier and so much more profitable. And I'll explain why as we go. But I want to let you know that you definitely do not want to overlook ads, whether they are, even if you're spending just a little budget to try and test out stuff. That's what I did. I would start out spending little bits of money, not a lot, testing this, testing that. And then when I find something that wins, and that could happen right away, it could take weeks, could even take months. But when I find that ad in that campaign, in that right combination, all of a sudden it catches fire. I can increase my spending. It's profitable. And then instead of spending a couple of $100 here or there, I'm spending a few thousand. And then I take all my profit and roll it back into my ad budget. And now I'm spending tens of thousands. I take all the profit, roll it back in. Now I'm making hundreds of thousands. And in fact, I've had businesses where I've used that exact strategy to start with like $1,000 and turned into, I was making $853,000 a month. That was our biggest month. And I started with $1,000 budget, rolling it and rolling it and rolling it without ever having to reinvest any of my own money, all powered by advertising, to where we got to doing $853,000 a month. Don't overlook this strategy, even if you're a little bit intimidated by it or you've had losses with it before. So let's take a look at how you use Sora 2 to do this. One of the problems with ads is it is hard to make good creatives. That means the images, the videos, the copy, all of that stuff. Well, now with AI, all of that is simple. That was always the hardest part of all the ad campaigns that I did in the past, was all the creative stuff that you have to do to make your ads, because your ads have to be good. You can't just throw out garbage out there or throw out something that's too amateur and expect to win. You actually have to produce something good. And so here's an example of an ad someone made with Sora.
My boyfriend literally doesn't know how to dress, so we're using this app to help him try on different outfits.
Oh my god, should I buy this Balenciaga?
So that whole ad was made with Sora 2. Here's another one. This is one here that looks like it's targeting fitness people. So this is crazy. 100 million views a month using Sora in the gym niche. Now I can tell you the fitness and health niche is incredibly lucrative, and they're getting 100 million views a month with nothing but AI. So you can see there's a wide variety. They seem to tend to be kind of humorous and funny videos, and that's on Instagram is where they're doing that. Here's another one. It's a company called WAP. You might have heard of them. They have a presence in the entrepreneurial kind of make money community. They process payments and more.
Our parents told us to get real jobs, get off our phones, go to college. I took a completely different route.
This is an AI generated ad that played on live TV. This was actually during the NBA finals. This ad played, and it was made by AI.
They put their money on! I'm all in on OKC!
Indiana got that dog in them.
Will egg prices go up this month?
I think we'll hit $20. How many hurricanes do you think we'll have this year?
I would like to know, drop me a comment down below in the comments and let me know, would you like a video editing tutorial? How would you like this workflow broken down step by step so that you can make ads like the ones you saw here? Again, vote in the comments, because it is by your votes and your voice is what determines what we're going to cover on the channel next. So if you would like a step-by-step deep dive on how to use Sora to make ads like you saw here, definitely speak up in the comments and vote. Let me know, and we will cover that. By the way, we're going to be using Sora 2 to make ads for my software business, Buildy AI. Some of you might know of that. And I'm going to reveal the whole process. And if you want, I will turn it into training. Okay, so we're going to make ads. I'll show you examples of the ads we made. But if you want me to go and teach you how we made them, then definitely drop a comment down below. And subscribe to the channel. So you'll see a red subscribe button down there. Make sure you're a subscriber if you want access to that training. Pop that down below. Your next step is to watch this video. These are 3 different businesses that you can build with my Buildy software. So buildy.ai, watch this video. It will show you exactly 3 of the most profitable businesses that you can create, and you can have AI make them for you. Go check it out. Watch that video. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.